हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बी अ प्रोग्रामर में. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अ वेरी गुड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट हैज केम इन डेल. एंड द वेरी गुड न्यूज़, एक बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ क्या है कि एवरी ग्रेजुएट इज एलिजिबल इफ़ यू आर अ बैचलर ऑफ एनी डिग्री, BA, BBA, BCA, एनी डिग्री, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस. फॉर श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर दिस. एंड आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, स्टार्टिंग में ही बोल देता हूँ कि एप्लीकेशन का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप सेलेक्ट हो गए हो या आपको इंटरव्यू कॉल आना ही आना है. दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन योर रेज्यूमे दैट यू आर सेंडिंग. जो आप प्रोफाइल देख रहे हो, जिस प्रोफाइल के लिए आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो, अगर उस टाइप का रेज्यूमे बनाते हो या वो जो स्किल्स मांगा है उस टाइप की चीज़ें मेंशन्ड हैं, तो फॉर श्योर आपका जो रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्ट होने वाला है. और थोड़ी सी स्किल्स, थोड़े से कॉलेज भी मैटर करता है बहुत बार. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर नेसेसरी. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट एवरीथिंग लाइक हाउ टू अप्लाई, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एप्लीकेशन एंड व्हाट इज द एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया. बेसिकली बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ you are getting confused in this, that is what is the eligibility criteria basically. So we will be talking about everything. And one more thing, our news is there, our disclaimer is there, our information is there, that all the things that I will be telling is practical and I will be showing you in front of you. So there is nothing like that कि ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं या अंधाधुन ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं. सारा कुछ आपको सामने दिखेगा. और दूसरी चीज़ क्या है कि I have made a vlog channel, you might have seen that vlog channel. If you haven't seen, just go to my channel page. The very first page you will get BTech Wala. The name of the channel is BTech Wala. You can go and subscribe to that channel too. So let's start with the video. So as you can see on the screen, this is the basic site of Dell Technologies. It is the basic career page of Dell Technologies. You can also find on the right. You will go in the description. You will find the link and be aware with the fraud jobs that all are getting posted on different communities, different channels, different things are being posted. So be aware with this because they are asking for some money. So कोई भी जॉब आपको पैसे दे, मतलब पैसे देने के लिए मिल रही है, पैसा लेने के लिए मिल नहीं रही है, ठीक है. तो ये चीज़ ध्यान रखना और ढंग से अप्लाई करना. So the very first thing, the designation is of Associate Sales Engineer Analyst. The role is of Associate Sales Engineer Analyst. And when you will go down, I will show you everything. The very first thing that the responsibilities. Let's see the responsibility first. The very first thing, the responsibilities. You will be responsible to produce quotation for the customer solutions. You will be responsible to produce the quotations for the customer solutions. Suppose any customer is facing some issue. So whatever the things they are facing, you need to solve that and you will be responsible for that particular solution. Like the quotation that you will make, that is for you. So next thing is that create technical drawings to map proposal. You have to create technical drawings to map the proposals. The next thing is that answer ad hoc questions about our products. Suppose like Dell has many products, it has a great amount of products, so you have to make ad hoc questions about our products, about that particular products. Then deliver services to the field within the required time frames. You have to deliver the fields you have to deliver the field within the required time frame. That is important. Like suppose someone is getting some issues or someone has got some project, some service, you have to deliver that thing in that particular time frame. That is important. Okay, so when you will scroll down, suppose I scroll down and I will say here the requirements. What are the requirements basically? Suppose we are talking about the requirements here. It is written, the very basic requirements are written, that communication skills, that is very important. If you are going for the communication skills, I will make a video for that. Many people have requested me to make a video, demanded me to make a video, so I will be coming up with this video, that is communication skills, how to improve communication skills. I will come up with the video. If you want, just comment down, I will make as soon as possible for sure. So next one is that attention to detail. Like you have to, suppose there is some details given, so you have to take the attention to that particular detail. Next one is the strong technical aptitude. You have to be in strong technical aptitude. You need to be that good at it. So next one is good product knowledge. Suppose for the basic interview, what you have to do, you have to see what all the products of the Dell. So you have to see that what are the works they are doing and what is the work of this particular job role you are applying. Okay, so you will find some knowledge and you can apply for that. So next one is the desirable requirements. That is the basic eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria is, the very first is bachelor's degree. Bachelor's degree is important. Next one is that 0 to 2 years of experience in support or technical role. Suppose you have no experience in this role, for sure you can apply for this. It is already written, a range has been given 0 to 2 years. So you need to be a fresher also, you can be a fresher also, you can be experienced also. So you can also scroll down, like there is no closing date written here. So बहुत लोग पूछते हैं मेरे से, many people ask to me that what is the last date to apply, what is the closing date to apply. So in many forms it is not applicable. Like मैं अगर जॉब नोटिफिकेशन दूसरे कोलैबोरेशन के साथ लेके आ रहा हूँ तो वहाँ पे एप्लीकेबल होगा, वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि इस डेट को खत्म हो जाएगा. बहुत से कंपनीज अपने पोर्टल पे भी मेंशन कर देती हैं, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज लाइक Amazon, Dell, Flipkart, these kind of companies will never mention that when it is being closing, the post will, when it will close. So this is it. For the same reason it is written here that there is no application closing date. Okay, so how to apply? When you have scrolled on the top of the page, or you can also scroll down, here is also the link of apply, and on the top also there is a link of apply. You can click on this apply now button. When you will click on this apply now button, a page will be redirected. Suppose like this is a basic page where you need to like complete all the things. It is like if you have completed your connected to Dell, so you need not to fill this. Suppose I have not connected, I will fill my first name here. Then what is required, I will tell you. First name, then last name, mobile number is required, email ID is required, mobile number is optional, you can also like leave that is up to you. Category, what is the job category, location and career level. Support for the category, you are going for sales. Okay, though the category is sales, the location and the entry level. If you are entry level, you are a student, you are in management, you are a professional, that all things you have to apply. Suppose I am going for entry level and I have to submit this, that's all. And then a form will come in front of you that you have to fill all the forms, the whole form you have to fill, that is it. And that is all for the like application process. And if you want to go for the preparation part, you can see like there are many very much videos being posted on Dell Technologies for this particular role. Yeah, like many people are giving interviews also. I have also posted an interview of a girl who has been placed in Dell only for the support role, technical support role. You can also see that video. You can ask to her, if she knows, she will definitely help you. So this was all. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We have came up with these kind of videos, so please support us. Please support कर दो, because इधर थोड़ी सी सपोर्ट कम मिल रहा है, लोग थोड़ा कम सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो प्लीज सपोर्ट कर दो. वीडियो को लाइक करके सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना वीडियो को. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Some more informative, more topics are going to come. Like we are coming up with daily updates. एक एक दिन अपडेट लाते हैं, एक एक डेली वीडियोस आती हैं. तो इस चीज़ को प्लीज़ लाइक थोड़ा सा सपोर्ट करो. और ऐसी वीडियोस अपने इतने ज़्यादा मतलब जो शेड्यूल, अगर आप मेरा व्लॉग चैनल देखते हो आपको काफ़ी कुछ पता होगा मेरे बारे में, तो वो भी आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाओगे तो वहाँ पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा व्लॉग चैनल का, और मेरे चैनल पेज पे भी मिल जाएगा. बी अ प्रोग्रामर चैनल पेज पे भी वो चैनल लिस्टेड है. सो आप वहाँ से भी लाइक कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे भी अच्छे खासे लोग जुड़ गए हैं और जुड़ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे. वहाँ पे भी अच्छा कंटेंट आता रहता है, लाइक रिलेटेड टू व्लॉग्स, रिलेटेड टू बैंगलोर, रिलेटेड टू कंपनी, रिलेटेड टू मेनी थिंग्स दे आर कमिंग. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत एंटरटेनिंग व्लॉग्स भी आते रहते हैं, तो आप वो सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. सो इट इज़ अप टू यू. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. You can also follow me on Instagram. You can also follow me on like LinkedIn. You can connect to my on LinkedIn. Many people are there on my LinkedIn. Many people are there on my Instagram. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Some more informative topics. Some more videos like this are yet to come. More videos will be coming. No need to worry about that thing. If you have any doubts, anything you want to ask, just go in the description. You can ask me. So this was all about the video. मिलते हैं next video में. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.